What's up, guys? I think it is 4 weeks after I thought that I was quitting trading because I thought that God wouldn't be pleased with the business. I thought that, oh, well, because let me just show you. My FTMO account has been frozen. My FTMO challenge account has been frozen because I spent over 1 month without trading. And the reason is that because at some point I just started thinking, well, God wasn't pleased with the business. Before I even asked God, I quit. And I thought, well, how is God pleased about a business where I make money from other people? But if it is fair and we are honest and we all agree that we want to participate in this business where we exercise skills and the best person gets paid, then I think that's a fair business because I'm not stealing from nobody, you're not stealing from nobody. I know what's going on. So I realized that 4 weeks late, and you see, I haven't changed. I was thinking of trading stocks and shares and whatever. I was thinking of going into real estate. I'd like literally quit trading. See, at some point, I was thinking of going back to school and doing IT, network engineering. So this is where I stopped. Imagine after I'd done this work, this is where it stopped, and then I went to schoolwork. So now I'm gonna be going back into trading. I'm gonna be doing the things that I know that work. And today I've spent my day, in fact this last 2 days, because I came back into trading I think on Tuesday. See, I was even going on YouTube. So yeah, I came back to trading on Tuesday, and then yesterday I started analyzing what are my problems, because fine, the FTMO account has been frozen. That's true, it has been frozen, but what is the reason for the results that we had, right? Because there must be also a reason for the results. So let it load, let it load, let it load, let it load. So that is how it ended up looking, right? If we scroll down, consistency curve is good, so it means that we are consistent. See, max daily loss not more than 2% in a day, so there is some good risk management. There is no problem with stop lossing, but there is stuff to be improved on the profit side, because as you see, if that is equal and the win rate is like that won't work. But if that was a 1:3 risk reward ratio and the win rate was like that equity curve would be flying up. So I then began to do this so that I could find out, try solve these problems, and I list them down. What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problems that I have? And then, I went into this and that and thinking maybe it's like this, and I tried seeing, as you can see on paper. I'm not going to explain everything. You just have to pause the video and look. And then I just drew this just recently, and I was like, maybe it's this, maybe it's that, maybe it's this, maybe it's that. And when I went outside, something just said, well, when I was backtesting, right? Because I have backtesting data, was it normal for me to have a losing month? Was it normal for me to have a profitable month? Yes. So what is the difference between this losing month, and could it be that June was a losing month? And what is the if that's the case, if June was a losing month, what is the difference between my personal June execution losing month versus the backtesting one? And then I recognize, I open my trading results journals. So those, thank God for them, they help so much, because now I can see what I was doing. I journaled everything. I can see when I took a trade on the 3rd of June, what are the mistakes, trading mistakes, like missing out. So I was looking at, oh my God, look at the amount of trades I missed out on. Okay, I missed out on 3 trades, and 2 of them would take profits, and I only took 1 trade. Maybe the other one was a stop loss. Well, if I'm more present, why did I miss out? Maybe there was a visit and then I left my trading screen, went to go sit with them, and then next thing there's a trading opportunity and the market goes. So if I can improve, if I can start being present always when the market is about to provide profitable trading opportunities, capitalize on the profitable trading opportunities, then I can do what? Increase my profits. So yeah, then I began thinking. So I put it on paper. What was the average losing month when I was backtesting? It was -1%. There was 13 trades that month, and there was 10 losses. There was 3 winners. And then right now, what was the data like when I was now like live executing? So it was a -7%. Is it normal? No, it's not normal. That's never happened before. Why? I can look at the data and see, okay, there were a couple of trades that I might have missed out on. And some of the trades were winning trades. So if I missed out on 2 winning trades here, those 2 winning trades equate to 6%. And if you add it here, it's going to mean that I was only down -1%. If there were 30 trades or 5 trades I missed out on, it means that maybe 3 of those trades were winning trades, which is 9% -1%, and 8% could have been here, could have been up +1%. So those are the things that I'm going to be improving on, but that's just the video saying that I'm back. And when I was away trading, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I see that the thing, it looks like the devil tried to derail me as I was about to build some good progress. So now that I came back, I didn't remember the progress that I'd made. And it just felt like, well, maybe I have a trading strategy that doesn't work. Maybe I have to start all over. Maybe I have to learn about order flow, or maybe something. Well, it turns out that things were actually going well. God had blessed me, and that's where I'm going to begin from. At least now I know. At least now I know that the next thing for me will be just to go through my past, to do a monthly results, general results review. So I'm going to review last month, my results from last month, and then I don't have to do July, because I'll just do July. What could I have capitalized on, right? I don't even have a trading view account that I can backtest on. So it means that after doing the reports, so yeah, that's exactly what's going to happen. We are going to succeed. Believe that July, is it July now? July is ending, so means I'm just gonna start again for August. So in August, I already asked God, I'm just going to focus on a FTMO trial account. I'm gonna try and work again for the next 4 weeks. Try again, momentum again. Trade, journal, improve. Trade, journal, analyze, improve. Solve problems. Trade, journal, solve problems, improve. Like that. Then I do expect and I do hope that I've already prayed, asked God for a $50,000 challenge account. So when the results, and I am also doing the things, I'm also consistent and doing the things that are very well. I mean, I am always present to capitalize on the profitable trading opportunities. I'm no longer missing out on trading opportunities. I'm capitalizing on them. I'm following my rules. I'm following my stops. I am being consistent. I'm journaling, and then I can go into a FTMO challenge and also understand my systems again. I know their performances. I know. So yeah, I think after then, I would then consider to start my FTMO challenge, but I hope to get it by month end in October. And no, month end August. I hope to get my $50,000 challenge account there. And if we're ready to trade it, then I'm gonna trade it. So yeah, that is it. I'm just gonna go with the FTMO trial. I no longer have a chair. The chair that I used to use here broke, so I sit on my bed like that. Ouch. My screen is over here, my laptop is here, the papers are there. It's gonna get better. I'm gonna get a trading office, I believe. Do I still have to go for the $2 million funded challenge matter? I don't think so. I think I would want to focus on FTMO right now, because as far as I know, there might be one of the legal firms that their business model is not set up for us to lose, right? It's set up for us to win and be profitable as well as they. So yeah, that is it. To see you again.